visible.
Okay, so just see, this is the file. Here new file can be opened. These are the menus in the software: R script, R notebook, R markdown, and so on and so forth. We will discuss and see the required kind of option. We can start a new product or a project from here. Here is a new opening file. Here we have already existing. Recent files can be clicked from recent projects. We can import data from the text, from Excel, from SPSS, from Stata, from SAS. So you can directly import by this button also. You can import the file by writing code also. So whatever is comfortable to you, make use of that comfort for your action. So this can be done based upon that. You can safeguard your file and work using save as it is possibly done in the Windows. Then you can rename it if you want. Then you can do other activities. I will show you where we can do that. And the last, you can disconnect by quitting the section. So session quit can be done by this command or by another action using keyboard curtail plus Q. So if you control plus Q, if you press, it will close your session. Never do it unless you really saved your work. You can close it by control W also. So this is the edit menu. In this edit menu, you have undo, redo, cut, copy, paste business. You have various aspects. Whatever the aspects are there, we will discuss. You can count the word or code. So when you are making certain reports using some coding, you can use this. You can clear the console. So whatever you are writing, most of the time when you are doing the analysis, you are writing the script in the console. I will tell you the 4-quadrant aspect of Studio. So here are the so-called code insertion, other menus in the software. Then you have a view with respect to zoom in. You can zoom in and zoom out. So that is also possible. It can be done with the control plus. It can be control plus minus. So zoom out can take place. This is the actual size. So I am working right now on the actual size. I will tell you how to do it. Then you can show the history. You can use the file. You can plot. You can actually use your whole aspect. You can show certain tutorials. Then you can plot. Right now plotting is not there, so plot, we will definitely show you the plots. Then we have sessions, terminate session, restart, reload. Then you have a build. I will show you the configuration of build tool. Then you have a default. Then you have a profiling. We will not get into profiling right now. We are not creating any professional profiling here, so we'll lose it. We will not work it. Toggle breakout points, we will not use it. Stop debugging right now. This is what is the whole process. We will go to the tools. Tools are important. So understanding the installing package, how it can be done, I will show you the technique also. Then we have a help. So help can be basically try to, if you are stuck with some codes, you can use the help. So help, wherever you can search it, you go to the search, you can put the code correction, you can say certain suggestions with respect to code writing is concerned. It will check updates here, accessibility here, notes will be there, documents will be there, cheat sheet in terms of RStudio ID cheat sheet as I refer to. You can download it from here, you can use it from here. You can use different libraries. I will tell you how to use it. And then we have a shortcut helps. We will not go to the shortcuts. First of all, we will learn full-fledged whole work. Now this is the current software. Let me go to my slide and make you refer what is there in the 4-quadrant of our whole process of our discussion. So let me go back. Yeah, so this is done. This is, we are here. Now comparison can be done later on. Let me take you through, as I have already shown you the live software. Now let's understand the 4-quadrant of the software. This is the first quadrant, and this is where is we write our scripts. So you can write our scripts here. Few of the people write our scripts in the console. So that is also true. And in the R scripts, we can write it in the first quadrant also true. So whatever you write in the first quadrant, it get a mirror reflection. Sorry, it get the reflection inside the console. So even though you can use the console to write so-called codes are there. Then we have an object. So whatever you are doing it with respect to environment of our studio art, its history, its connections, they are reflected here on these terms. So I can show you the real one. So you can, I have just changed the view, so you will find the console here. So console is here, and you find the second one here. This I have changed by going to the view. So you can go to the view and change and switch as per your preference. Currently I have changed the view for my preference. So wherever it is written so called in the slide 2, this is the data objects. So data objects I have put it down. So this talks about environment, the environment we have currently. Nothing is there in the environment. Then it talks about whatever the history I have done it in the analysis part, it is showing that part. Then we are talking about here the connections. If we have any connection, it will be get displayed. Connection between the analysis part and sheets part, if you are connecting some. Then you have a tutorial. So right now I'm not using any tutorial, but you can utilize the tutorial. Here it is the click. You can try to understand how to install learner package. So this I'm not using it. You may use it. You can explore it as per your references. So here is the console where you can write anything and it will get reflected there itself. If you write a code here, it will reflect it here. I will show you how. Now this portion is very important portion. This is the main portion where, let me go to the slide and tell you, this portion is referring to the aspect of files. So this is the fourth quadrant. In this fourth quadrant, as per my notation, is the file, plot, packages, installed, and help panels are listed here. So files, plot, packages, help, and viewer are listed here. Let me go to the original one. So here is the file. So you can bring the file from the folder from here also. So right now I'm not displaying it, but all the files which you have imported through port or import button will be get reflected. So this we will definitely observe. So whatever the command you are writing it and creating some graphs can be plotted here. So you can have a bigger portion of graphs here. I will show you how it can be done. Then you have a help menu. So this is the help menu where you can list down anything, and you can find here, you can find the topic of your interest and understand the help part. Then you have a viewers. So you can, viewer is required. Right now I'm not getting into that, so not desired. So this is the whole gamut of our software